Dear colleagues, we are now counting the days until the most anticipated educational event ever organized in dentistry, the first 24-hour webinar marathon on prevention and prophylaxis. I will join a team of many colleagues that from all over the world will be sharing their experience and show you the most up-to-date clinical researches and the most advanced clinical techniques for 2 days non-stop. So we will talk about several topics such as new periodontal classification, surgical versus non-surgical treatments, implant maintenance, the profitability of prevention and many more. This very exciting 2 days marathon will start on Saturday 23rd of November at 13 p.m. Central European Time. You will have the opportunity to obtain over 31 continuing education credits, and you will be able to interact with your favorite speakers at the end of each lecture. So check out the list of speakers on the event website and register now. And by the way, attending our 24-hour webinar is completely free. See you there. Ciao!